Revolutionize your hygiene practices. The WIPEPOD is a global phenomenon, transforming hygiene practices worldwide. This innovative solution has been proven to prioritize and enhance hand and surface hygiene, making it a safe and trusted choice for providing antibacterial wipes. With a proven track record of effectively eliminating germs and bacteria, preventing contamination, the WIPEPOD has earned an exceptional reputation. Its user-friendly design ensures quick and easy access to antibacterial wipes, promoting pristine cleanliness for both hands and surfaces. Benefits: effortless sanitization. Encourages frequent cleaning of high-touch areas and equipment for a more efficient disinfection process. Adaptable and affordable. Easily integrates into diverse industries, offering a cost-effective and convenient cleaning solution. Healthier environments. Boosts worker and customer confidence by fostering a cleaner, healthier workplace, reducing illness-related absenteeism. Guaranteed satisfaction. Backed by our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction and a lifetime guarantee against manufacturing defects, the WIPEPOD is the ultimate hygiene investment. Experience the WIPEPOD difference and elevate your hygiene standards today.